All right, let's learn how to clear all those settings in the Chrome browser and start off with a clean slate. First, in the top right, you're going to click the dot, dot, dot here, and then go to Settings. And over under the line on the left, you'll see advanced, and then reset and clean up. We'll give it a reset there and clear everything up. But you can also click here under search settings and say history and scroll down. Don't even have to type the whole thing. Clear browsing data right there. And you want to go advanced tab and check all these suckers and then clear the data from all time. So make sure that says all time and then restart your computer, sign back into Chrome, and it should work. So give that a shot.